Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant enable to update. First click here and then look for services. Now scroll down until you find VGC. Here's it. Now just right click on it and then click stop, and after that click here and go for apps and features, and now type here Vanguard, click on it and uninstall it, and after that go back here and just wait, close this one and then restart your computer. And after starting your computer, just open Valorant again and try to install it, and you will find here install. It will start reinstalling Vanguard, and after installing Vanguard it will start automatically updating Valorant. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.